Let me be honest with you. AI is not the reason your videos are not getting views. You can use the best AI tools in the world, the most expensive software, the fanciest prompts. But if your videos are stuck at 10, 20, 50 views, this video might hurt a little. Because today, I'm going to tell you the real reasons why so many AI creators fail and exactly what the top creators do differently to get millions of views. It's not about the tools, it's about the strategy. So let's talk about the big misunderstanding. Most creators, especially new ones, think if I just use AI, my content will automatically go viral. That is the biggest lie of 2025. AI only makes content creation faster. It does not inherently make it better. If your core idea is weak, if your concept is boring, all AI does is help you produce that boring content faster, helps you fail faster. Think about it. Yes, AI can edit your videos incredibly quickly, chopping up clips and adding captions in seconds. It can write scripts for you, generating 1,000 words in the blink of an eye. It can create stunning visuals, B-roll, and animations that would have taken a team of people weeks to produce. But here's what AI cannot do. It cannot fix a boring idea. It can't magically invent a hook that grabs someone's attention out of thin air if you do give it the right direction. And most importantly, it cannot fix bad storytelling. AI is a tool like a hammer. You can use a hammer to build a beautiful house, or you can use it to smash your thumb. The tool itself is neutral. It's how you use it that matters. The problem isn't the AI. It's the strategy behind the AI. And that brings us to the first massive mistake. Mistake number 1, bad hooks. The first 3 seconds of your video decide everything. Everything. And most AI creators completely waste this precious time. They start their videos with something like, "Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain the importance of," or in this video, we'll talk about the new features of this AI tool. Nobody cares. You've already lost them. They've scrolled on. Your hook needs to be a pattern interrupt. It needs to stop them dead in their tracks. Instead of a polite introduction, hit them with shock, with a bold claim. Start with a question that makes them think. Address a pain point they're feeling right now. Or create intense curiosity that they feel compelled to satisfy. For example, instead of saying, "Today I'll show you how to use this AI tool," you could start with, "This AI tool is about to make 90% of video editors obsolete. See the difference?" One is a boring lecture. The other is an urgent, must-watch event. Your hook should make people stop scrolling, not politely invite them to keep scrolling. It's the gatekeeper to your content, and most people's gates are wide open, letting all the attention run right past. Now for mistake number 2, and this one is huge. No story, only information. Your video is just a list of facts, features, and data. Information doesn't hold attention. Stories do. This is why so many AI-generated videos feel robotic and soulless. There's no emotion, no personal angle, no human connection. Just a voice reading a Wikipedia article over some stock footage. That's not content. That's a presentation. Here's how you fix it. You need to inject yourself into the content. Add your own struggles. Let's talk about the mistakes you made when you were first learning this. Share the journey, the learning process, the aha moment you had. People don't connect with perfection. They don't follow a robot that knows everything. They follow progress. They follow a real person who is just like them, maybe a few steps ahead, who is figuring things out and sharing the lessons along the way. That vulnerability, that story, is what creates a loyal audience. AI can give you the what, but you have to provide the why. Why does this matter? Why should they care? The answer is always in a story. Okay, mistake number 3 is wrong platform thinking. This is a subtle one, but it's killing your reach. You spend all this time creating a great video, and then you just post the exact same file everywhere on YouTube, on Instagram Reels, on TikTok, on LinkedIn. That's a recipe for failure. Each platform has its own language, its own culture, and its own algorithm that rewards different things. Posting the same video everywhere is like speaking Spanish in Japan and expecting everyone to understand you. Let me break it down simply. On YouTube, the long-form king, watch time, is everything. The algorithm wants you to keep people on the platform for as long as possible. Your video needs depth, chapters, and a structure that encourages viewers to stick around. For YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, it's all about retention. Can you hold their attention for the entire 30 or 60 seconds? It's about fast cuts, looping visuals, and getting to the point immediately. Then you have a platform like LinkedIn, which is a professional network. People there are looking for insight, for a unique take on a business trend, for a sharp analysis. A funny meme that works on TikTok might completely flop on LinkedIn. It's the same idea, but it needs different packaging for each platform. You have to tailor your content. So, after all these mistakes, what actually works? What's the system that top creators use to consistently get views, whether they're using AI or not? It's actually a very simple 5-step framework. First, you start with a strong emotional hook. We already talked about this. Grab them in the first 3 seconds with shock, curiosity, or pain. Second, you deliver a clear value proposition. What is the one promise of this video? What is the one thing they will learn or gain by watching? Make it clear and make it early. Third, you wrap that value in a short, relatable story. This is your personal angle, the struggle, the mistake, the why it matters part. This is what makes the information stick. Fourth, you have a clean and clear delivery. This means good audio, clear visuals, and no rambling. Get to the point. Edit out the fluff. Respect your viewers' time. And finally, number 5, you have a clear call to action, or CTA. Tell them exactly what you want them to do next. Like, subscribe, comment, watch another video. Don't be shy about it. This 5-part system hook, value, story, delivery, CTA is the engine of every successful video on the internet. It works with or without AI. AI can help you execute these steps faster, but it cannot invent the strategy for you. That has to come from you. So if you're an AI creator and you've been struggling to get views, I want you to hear this. You're not bad at this. You're not a failure. You're just missing a strategy. You've been given a powerful tool without the instruction manual, and it's not your fault. The good news is, strategy can be learned. If you want to stop guessing and start growing with a proven system, I'm going to be sharing nothing but real AI growth content right here on this channel. No fluff, just strategy. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. And as a first step, if you want the exact workflow and checklist I use for my videos, just comment the word system down below, and I'll share my personal template with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.